One of the things where these reentry programs fall apart is they will help you fill out a resume. And that's not enough. A lot of these guys burnt every bridge that they had. They don't have one person that would say, take a chance with Mike. We developed what we're calling a workforce development program that bolts on to a reentry program. We take these people who were previously incarcerated and we get paid through the Department of Corrections to train them on something. We pay them while we're doing it, and we tear down these houses. And that allows us to train them in all kinds of different skills. So in 5-6 months, we can go to an employer, and we've done it again and again and again, saying, you can take a chance with Mike. He shows up on time, he does this, he does that. And we have had some really good success stories, and no one has gone back to prison.